Hey guys, Tim with Bevan Farm. Today I'm going to tell you about miniature horses, and specifically our miniature horse, AppleJack. She's about 8 years old, very calm, gentle. We use her for petting zoos, and she does pony rides. She's very, very nice, very calm with the kids. She's not spooked by loud noises or anything like that. She does really well. Caring for her is pretty easy. She likes to eat coastal hay, and we give her some pellet horse food. I think it has like 13 or 14% protein. I might be wrong, don't quote me on that. Yeah, other than that, we get a farrier to come out and do her hooves about every 6 weeks. We get tetanus shot for her every year, and we deworm her every couple months and give her digestive aid. But other than that, not a whole lot else besides walking her around, letting her exercise. We let her out of the pen to go run around, and she has access to fresh water and hay and everything out there. Right now we just have her in here because I was doing some yard work and I didn't want her to be running around while I had the lawnmower out. But yeah, having horses is a lot of fun. They're really great animals, and especially if you get a sweet one like this. She's pretty good. Let's see if she lets me give her a hug. Oh, you're a good girl. You want to say hi, AppleJack? Good girl. Anyway, so I just wanted to introduce you and let you see who one of our stars of our petting zoo is. Yeah, this is AppleJack. You guys have a good one.